Welcome to Lesson 21 of Prop Lead's Wholesale Real Estate Mastery. In this lesson, we are covering skip tracing fundamentals, finding any owner's contact information. By the end, you will be able to understand what skip tracing is and why it's essential, use professional skip tracing platforms to pull phone, and evaluate skip trace hit rates and data quality across. What is skip tracing? Skip tracing is the process of locating a property owner's personal contact information, primarily phone numbers and email addresses, using the identifying data you already have, such as their name and mailing address from public records. The term originally came from the debt collection and bail bond industries, where investigators would track down people who had skipped town. In real estate wholesaling, the concept, why skip tracing is non-negotiable for wholesalers. Direct outreach is the engine of wholesale real estate. Unlike agents who wait for listings, wholesalers create their own deal flow by proactively contacting owners before a property ever hits the market. That means your ability to reach people, and reach them quickly, directly determines your deal volume. Batch skip tracing versus individual lookups. There are two primary approaches to skip tracing, and knowing when to use each will save you both time and money. Batch skip tracing, recommended for wholesalers. Batch skip tracing means uploading an entire list, often hundreds or thousands of records, to a skip tracing platform at once. The service processes all the records simultaneously and returns a completed file, typically within minutes to a few hours, with phone. Choosing the right skip tracing platform. Not all skip tracing services are created equal. The market is crowded with providers making bold claims about their hit rates and data accuracy. Here's how to evaluate them intelligently. Corporate skip tracing, piercing the LLC veil. A growing percentage of investment properties are held in LLCs, trusts, or other corporate entities. When your list returns ABC Holdings LLC as the owner instead of a person's name, standard skip tracing won't work. There's no individual to look up. Corporate skip tracing is the process of identifying the human being behind the entity. The practical move is to turn this lesson into action. Pull a small list of 50 to 100 absentee, sign up for a trial account on at least. Build a simple Excel or Google Sheets. Keep the focus on measurable activity, not just more learning. Here is the recap. Skip tracing converts a list of property addresses into batch skip tracing is the standard workflow for active. Data accuracy matters more than hit rate, a service. In the next lesson, we will cover decision maker identification, reaching the right person.